Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to quickly introduce you to another option in Obsidian tool, which is settings. On the bottom left hand side of the screen, you have this gear icon or settings. Click on this settings option to make a lot of changes in your Obsidian tool. So once you click on settings, you see general, editor, files and links, appearance, hotkeys, core plugins, community plugins, backlinks, canvas, command palette, daily notes, file recovery, and all these options. So now let's say you want to make some changes in your Obsidian tool. Let's say you want to change appearance of your Obsidian tool. If you see here, you have dark mode here. If you want to change it to light, you can change it to light. If you want to make it dark, you can make it to dark. All right. So you have accent color here. Choose the accent color used throughout the app. If you want to, change it, you can click on it and you can change the color. See, the color has changed. So you can, whatever you feel like, whatever you feel more comfortable, you can customize the settings here. So if you scroll down, you see interface font. This is also very important. If you click on manage, you can set various fonts depending upon your requirement. Let's say if you like Arial Black a lot, then you can select Arial Black and click on save. Now see, the font has changed. It looks Arial Black. If you want to, remove this, you don't want Arial Black, maybe you want to add another one. In this case, what you can do is you can select another one. Let's scroll down. Okay, maybe you like American typewriter. Click on save. See, it has changed. It has changed to American typewriter. Okay, now you want to set Algerian. Select it. It has changed to Algerian. So in this way, you can change the font settings here. At any point in time, if you want to just have your default Obsidian, font, in this case, you can simply delete it. If you don't have anything set here, it is going to take you back to the default state. So this is the default state where you had the Obsidian font when you have installed the software. So let's say you have backlinks here. Click on backlinks. So if you remember, backlinks were showing on the, let me close this window. So this is the notes. This is the notes. And if you see here, this notes has got one backlink. Okay, one backlink. So if you click on it, it is going to show the backlink here. If you click on chapter 8 or note 8, it is going to show the backlink here. Okay, it is going to show the backlink here. Now, what we are going to do is, if you want the backlink to be reflected here but not on the right hand side, if you want the backlink to be reflected at the bottom, what you can do is you can also enable this option. So click on settings, click on backlinks. It says show backlinks at the bottom of the nodes. Okay, if you enable this, click enable bottom, click enable show backlinks at the bottom of nodes. Now close it. Now if you go to chapter 8, if you scroll down, you see linked mentions here. So you see the backlink here under chapter 8. If you go to chapter 9, you also see linked mentions here, but there is no backlink because we have not created any bidirectional link with any other notes or chapter for this particular note. If you go to chapter 7, you see here linked mentions atomic habits chapter 2, and this is the backlink that we have created. So when you enable that option, it is going to show the backlinks for that particular note. If you are, let's say you are working on this note, okay, and it is going to show the backlinks at the bottom of this note, and you will understand, oh, this particular note has this backlink connected already. And if you go to this particular note, you will understand that, okay, there is no backlink for this particular note. So organize your ideas and you will understand whether there are any backlinks to the notes that you are working on. Alright, so these are some important features that you can navigate using these settings options. See, command palette, we have already discussed about it, and we have other topics like core plugins, community plugins that we are going to discuss in the coming videos. Alright, so I just want to talk about the settings. I just want to talk about this settings option in Obsidian tool, because at any point in time, if you want to explore more options, if you want to get idea about new features that are existing in Obsidian tool, you can easily come here and you can customize according to your requirement. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.